Hey, Focus Kid here. Stay with me at least 3 seconds or more, actually longer than 3 seconds, and I promise you it'll be worth your time. I won't keep you here longer than 3 minutes. That's my commitment to you, because I do want you to be able to watch and observe the message, and I also want you to be able to pass it on if you find it useful. Remember, anything that you find useful, you must share it with somebody else, because that's the key to building communities. That's the key to building love within communities. Today, the message is finding the treasure within us. Treasure map, right? So what exactly do I mean by treasure map, and how does that relate to our veterans, right? So let's think for a moment, veterans that might be in a dark place right now for whatever reason. Let's not focus on the problem. Let's talk about what are the potential solutions for us, right? So if you find yourself in a dark place, the best place to go is within, right? That place can be accessed by your mind. In other words, you don't have to have anything else than who you are right now. Hear me well, loud and clear, Mr. and Mrs. Veteran. You do not need anything else other than yourself and your mind. Now, yesterday we talked about desire, right? Desire is the energy and the fuel of all of the human beings on earth, 7 billion people, to go and to do whatever it is that we have a desire to do, right? So today we're talking about finding the treasure map within. So how do you combine the two? Well, first of all, you have to have a desire to find the map within, right? So do you want to be here? That's the first question. And I bet you, if you're watching this video, you do want to be here. And guess what? All of us who are creating the challenge, doing the push-ups, building awareness, we all want you to be here because we don't want you to go. We are thankful for what you have done for us, right? So why do we need a map? Well, if you're like me or like any other human being out there, sometimes when we don't know how to get out of the traps that we're in life, we need a 1, 2, 3 step-by-step process. And that's why we need the map. But the funny thing and the irony of life is that the map, it's within us. We've always had access to it. We just needed to decide that we had enough desire to go out and get the map. Once you get the map, you can go anywhere. Now, I'm not going to talk about that because that's going to confuse the message. But what I want you to do is I want you to go within, okay? I want you to go within yourself. You don't need anybody else. You don't need anything else. If you want to watch this video over and over and over again, that's fine. All you need is to go within and ask yourself one single question. Why do I want to be here? Okay, that's the only question I need you to ask yourself. You don't need anything else. And once you ask that question, what's going to happen to you is you're going to start to have that desire that I talked about yesterday. It's going to start to fuel up inside. It's going to start to bubble in, okay? And when it bubbles in, boy, you better let it out. Because like the song says, who let the dogs out? You did. You let the dogs out. You let the dogs out with your desire because you found your map. Okay, so until tomorrow, this has been Focus Kid with just the message for our veterans. And let me not forget, thank you, sir and madam, for your service. Each and every day, my family and I are grateful that you are keeping us safe. Okay, and so is our community that we're building. So for all of you veterans, for all of us, and for you who's watching who might share this video, are 22 of today, Thursday, December 29th. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22. All right, 22 push-ups for my beautiful veterans who are finding their maps within, and for all of you who are watching and supporting the cause. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. This has been Focus Kid. Love you, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a great day.